Class, welcome to Lesson 9. Lesson 9, we will cover relevance and quality score. That's a way to measure your Google Ads. And then we will discuss Google Analytics. We will cover Project 3, where you'll start a Google Ads campaign. And then you'll have, of course, your 2 discussion boards and your reflection. Let's start with your relevance and quality score assignment. Google Ads is a great tool to use because they are incentivized to ensure you are successful. The more successful you are, the more you'll use their platform and the more successful they will be. So to help all Google advertisers in this, they assign a score to your ad, and that helps you know how effective you're being. So the instructions for this assignment are to get to know the quality score and what components make up the quality score and how you can improve a quality score. So there's the readings and a video to watch, and then you will create a Word document and answer this question. If you have a quality score of 4, what are 3 things you could do to increase the quality score? Excuse me, I didn't define this well enough. It's a keyword quality score. So if you have a keyword with a quality score of 4, as opposed to specifically the ad with a quality score of 4. Then list 3 items you can do to increase the quality score, and for each of them, explain why you believe making those changes will increase the quality score. Make sure it's at least 150 words. So that will help you learn about quality score. You won't have a quality score typically at this point. We'll get into that more in Project 3. Let's jump into Project 3 now. There's 2 parts to Project 3, and this is the first part. You will watch this brief video about Google Ads campaign, and then you will create a Google Ads campaign. You'll need 1 ad group, 2 ads, and 10 keywords in that campaign. You will not start this campaign yet. So you'll see this important message: do not run your campaign until we get to week 10. You'll have instructions on that. You're just setting up the campaign. So I get this question a lot appropriately from students. I have my advertisements written. When do I launch? Should I launch the campaign? Should I be running it right now? It's week 10 when we're going to actually launch the campaign and run your ads live. Let's go to the second topic, installing Google Analytics. Google Analytics is an extremely powerful tool, and it's one of the reasons why I think online business can be so successful for someone who's not as experienced in the business world. Because with Google Analytics, you can track everything your visitors do, how they got to the website, what they were searching for, was it your advertisement that brought them there, what pages they looked at, how long they were at each page, their progress through the website, which pages they went to. There's a lot you can do with Google Analytics. In the past, companies with bricks and mortar stores would pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for these analyses, and they would have people come and watch visitors to the stores. They would walk through and what they would look at, and to have this for free at your fingertips is a great tool. So to install Google Analytics, you'll generate a code that you will install on your site. Now, it will be different for each site builder or coding platform, or however you're building your site. So you'll need to work together with your site builder, or maybe do a little research to know where this tracking code goes. But you'll generate the tracking code with these instructions, and then you'll paste that onto your website. For the assignment, you'll create the Word doc, paste the tracking code onto Google Analytics, explain where on your website you pasted it, then briefly explain how you linked Google Analytics account to your Google Ads account. That's where there's a lot of power in this, is that step. You link Google Analytics and Google Ads, we'll get to later on in the course what's called conversion tracking. And so now you're pairing Google Ads marketing with the analysis that Google Analytics brings and allows for very effective decision making in marketing. And then finally explain why you feel Google Analytics will help your business be more successful. And that will be it for your Google Analytics assignment. So the 2 assignments this week will be Word documents, a little bit simpler to submit than the assignments we've had in the past, where you're submitting the Word document as well as an analysis on your spreadsheet. You have a discussion board on that and your weekly reflection. So that will wrap up week 9. Please reach out to me if you have questions about quality scores or about your ads campaign or trying to install Google Analytics. Thanks, everybody.